Larissa, does it seem familiar to you? You're coming from Split here.
Yes, yes. It's the same sea, Mediterranean Sea, so it's very familiar to me.
And what brought you here in Larissa?
So I'm here in participating in the Ulysses Shelter project. So it's a project of collaboration between Slovenian Writers Society, Sandorf from Croatia, and Traka from Greece. And now it's slowly my residency here is ending, and I met many interesting writers, participated in 3 different events.
Tell us about the events you participated.
So one was in Athens in this bookstore which I cannot remember the name, and there were and the other one in Karditsa, and the final in Larissa.
In the
So
Thessalian Poetry Festival.
Thessalian Poetry Festival. I read in all 3 of them, and I got really good feedback from the people that heard the poems. So, what else?
Tell us about your poetry.
About my poetry. It's hard to speak about poetry. That's why I write poetry. But we can say it is trying to speak about the world today. I also do conceptual arts, so I use the same procedures. Like in this, I use ready-made objects in my art, so I use ready-made elements from the contemporary world. It's also a lot about political system, ecology, communication in general, a lot about, well, my biggest focus is on preserving the nature.
And tell us about Larissa. About you stayed in Larissa most of your days. You also stayed some days here in the beach of Larissa. How do you feel about it?
Larissa is a very interesting city, has a lot of public spaces, poets are very highly esteemed, and that's a good thing. I think also the municipality invests a lot in culture, which is very important for the society, I think, in general. And I don't know, but still, I prefer the smaller cities and prefer being here. But met really good people in Larissa and also in Athens, and made a few very good friends here.
Thank you, Ade.